German Shepherd Dock Diving, training for water sports and competitions. Dock diving is a popular water sport and competition that involves dogs leaping off a dock into a pool or body of water. While many different breeds can participate in this sport, the German Shepherd is particularly well suited for dock diving due to their athleticism and strong swimming abilities. In this article, we will explore the training techniques and tips for German Shepherds to excel in dock diving. First and foremost, it is important to start training your German Shepherd for dock diving at a young age. Puppies as young as 8 weeks old can begin learning the basic commands and skills needed for this sport. By starting early, you can help your dog develop the necessary strength and coordination for jumping off a dock. One of the first steps in dock diving training is teaching your German Shepherd the place command. This command is essential for teaching your dog to stay on the dock until you give the signal to jump. Begin by training your dog to sit or lay down on the dock, and reward them with treats and praise for staying in place. Gradually increase the distance between you and your dog, and reinforce the place command until they can stay on the dock without your presence. Next, introduce your German Shepherd to the water in a gradual and positive manner. Some dogs may be hesitant to jump into the water initially, so it is important to make the experience enjoyable and rewarding for them. Start by letting your dog wade in shallow water and gradually work your way up to deeper areas. Use treats and toys to encourage your dog to enter the water and retrieve items, building their confidence in swimming. Once your German Shepherd is comfortable with the water, it's time to introduce them to the dock. Begin by having them walk on the dock, rewarding them for staying on it without jumping. You can use a leash to guide them and prevent them from jumping too early. Gradually increase the height and length of the dock, and reward your dog for successfully completing the jumps. To improve your German Shepherd's jumping skills, introduce them to a variety of toys and objects to retrieve from the water. This will help them develop their jumping technique and increase their drive to jump longer distances. Start with floating toys near the dock and gradually move them further away to encourage longer jumps. You can also use a bumper or floatable dummy for more advanced training. As your German Shepherd progresses in dock diving, you can start working on their jumping style and technique. This includes teaching them how to use their hind legs to push off the dock, as well as how to position their body in the air to maximize distance and height. Consider working with a professional dock diving trainer who can provide guidance on proper jumping technique. In addition to physical training, it is important to condition your German Shepherd's body for the demands of dock diving. Regular exercise and strength training, such as swimming, running, and agility exercises, can help build their muscles and improve their endurance. Proper nutrition and hydration are also essential for maintaining their overall health and performance in the sport. Lastly, it is crucial to prioritize safety during dock diving training and competitions. Always ensure that the water is clean and safe for your dog to swim in. Have a spotter or trainer present to supervise the jumps and intervene if any issues arise. Additionally, consider using a life jacket for your German Shepherd, especially during early training stages or if they are not confident swimmers. In conclusion, German Shepherds can excel in dock diving with the right training and preparation. Starting at a young age, teaching the place command, gradually introducing them to water and the dock, and focusing on technique and conditioning are all key aspects of this training. With patience, consistency, and a positive training approach, you can help your German Shepherd become a top competitor in dock diving competitions.